I guess I'll show you this. So that's switch for the backbone. This is power over Ethernet switch. So this runs to a wireless access point, and it gives power over Ethernet means it gives electricity. It powers the device. A lot of things are power over Ethernet now. I'll show you that in a second. I don't remember if I did this or not. This is the wireless access point. It's a Unify made by Ubiquiti. These are actually like, they use these in universities and in office buildings and stuff. So this isn't your typical ASUS like wireless access point or Netgear or whatever. But what's nice about this model in particular has got a bunch of different features. But you can see there's no wires. Like, it doesn't need to be plugged into a receptacle because it has that power over Ethernet, right? So there's an Ethernet cable running from the power over Ethernet switch across through the basement floor joists and then up the wall to that. And when you plug it into that, a blue light turns on, like that round thing that's like the diameter of a tennis ball. It'll be blue. I don't know if you can change the colors. I don't know if it's LED. I just shut it off because I don't need people from the outside even seeing that it's anything. That one wireless access point reaches everywhere in this house. Second floor, first floor, basement, front, back, center, whatever. It works great. It actually has 3 different frequencies, 2.4 gig, 5, and 6. I shut off 2.4 because a lot of other stuff uses 2.4 and it gets really crowded, and the more crowded it is on a certain frequency, the less reliable your signal will be. So you might have IoTs on 2.4. IoTs are Internet of Things, like your TV. I don't know if anybody's got Blu-ray players, but just stuff that uses Wi-Fi, like a thermostat or whatever. So you can, some of them can only work on 2.4, not 5. So you keep your IoTs on 2.4, and then have your internal Wi-Fi on a different frequency. These are actually different segments also, but that's beyond.